equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Laptop 1769. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Laptop 1769 is not holding a charge, it can be frustrating and inconvenient. This issue often arises due to battery wear over time, and if left unaddressed, it can lead to complete device failure. To ensure your laptop continues to function optimally, a timely battery replacement is essential. For this repair, you will need a Torx screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, a spudger, and a replacement battery specifically for the Surface Laptop 1769. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the Torx screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel carefully. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Inside, locate the battery, which is typically secured with additional screws. Remove these screws with the Torx screwdriver and gently disconnect the battery cable using the spudger. Carefully lift the old battery out and replace it with the new one, ensuring the cable is securely connected. Reattach the screws to hold the battery in place, and then replace the back cover, pressing it down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the screws to secure the back panel. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly calibrate your battery and avoid letting it drain completely on a frequent basis. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.